Hi everyone, so this afternoon I'm taking it nice and easy. I'm out for coffee with the family. We'll actually have a picnic in the park. So I'm very close to Clapham Park, Clapham Park. And I'm just chilling out in the sunshine, the bit of sunshine that we've got in London. So hope you're all doing well, and I'll show you bits of my experience at the park. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. And also click on the notification button so that as soon as I upload a new video, you'll be notified. So that's the coffee shop that I'm at, and they serve some lovely stuff. There you go. So I'm gonna have a cappuccino, I'm gonna have a coffee, and then off we go to the park. The shop is called, let's try and get the name of the shop. There you go. The Clapham Coffee House. The Clapham Coffee House. And this is in Clapham Common. So the station is right ahead of me. And we've got the Clapham Common Park opposite. I'll show you the park right opposite. Right, so that's what I'm having for the afternoon. My latte over there. This is called the Spanish Expand. So basically, that's the bread with a few things. Spanish. What's this called? What's that called?
The Spanish.
No, what's in it? Chorizo. See? You can tell I'm not from Spain. There you go. So obviously that's to share. Can't have the whole lot. So we're going to share this one as a family. And then I'll have my muffin as well. Hey, man must eat, isn't it? There you go. And then wifey's also having, is that an espresso? Or cappuccino? Cappuccino with the muffin there.
Okay, so I'm having a regular cappuccino and a blueberry muffin. And my daughter as well is having that.
So the sun is out, people are having fun. This is Clapham Common Park, where everyone comes to have fun during summer. So people are just sunbathing in there. And on the other side of the park, you've got an ice cream lolly van over there. Ice cream van, I should say. But we are choosing to come to this side. Lovely. Here we go, finally settled in the park with wifey and my last baby. That's wifey, so she's my video right there.
Snapchat.
Say hi to my... Oh, you're Snapchatting?
Snapchat.
So yeah, there we go. That's London, that's Clapham Common. Just having fun in the sunshine. It's about 24 degrees today. We don't normally have that in London. Most of the times it's raining, but today we're quite lucky, we're quite fortunate to have 24 degrees, and therefore we thought, let's come out and have fun in London. So on the other side you've got buses passing by, and the rest of Clapham Common is on the opposite side as well. Guys, on my way home, there's a crew here filming something. I'll find out exactly what they're filming, but there's a whole crew. Wow. Sometimes they record some of the soaps, you know, the London soaps on TV. Sometimes they record it here. So yeah, it'll be good to find out what they're filming. Let's see whether I can find anyone to speak to. See a whole film crew with their stuff. Interesting. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I'm doing a quick vlog. What crew is this one?
This is the company that's up there on set.
On set.
Basically, the facilities we want filming, don't we? Brussels. You know what?
You don't mind coming in the show?
We drive the trucks.
So
I
he
ain't got
said
a clue.
he has no clue what they're filming, but they are called on set. Great.
Simple as that, really.
What did you suggest? What it was? You suggested they're filming something.
Yeah, it's a TV series.
TV series.
Yeah, what it
What's
is.
it called?
Oh no, the project's called Brussels.
Oh, project is called Brussels.
What the program's called? No, I didn't know.
No clue.
I don't care.
Thank you so much. So the program is called Brussels. It might come on TV very soon.
I
Yeah.
don't think the program's called Brussels. That's just the
Ah.
name of the project.
The project is called Brussels. A production is okay. There you go. See,
No idea.
see. All right then.
All right, thanks.
Thank you. All right. So there you go. The project is called Brussels. No clue what the film is, but it will be on our screens very soon in future. There you go. So there you go. Got the people there. The crew is in there, is it? I like that. I like that. Well done. Well done. Well done. It's my vlog, and I'm trying to find out what's going on here. We've got a crew here just filming, and I like the gentleman. What's that? That's an interesting one. So there you go. We've got the lighting and film crew. We've got the whole shebang going on here. And it's a busy one. So I can't wait to see it on TV. And it'll be nice for me to get in as well. So that says filming in progress. So shh, everyone. Got an ambulance here. We've got the lighting crew. Film and TV lights.